Hey everyone, this is Onion. It's Wednesday, March 31st, pre-market. This morning I'm going to look over Churchill Capital with you, some technical insight, short selling activity, and institutional holdings. It's just after 7 a.m. and you can see the bid and the ask pretty close to yesterday's close with a fair amount of volume, almost 50,000 shares. But yesterday was a strong day. It actually triggered two events yesterday. The commodity channel index. This is a sign of reversal. I'll show you that in a second. And then the engulfing line. This is a bullish sign on the chart here. And that's basically this candlestick here fully engulfs the red candlestick in the previous day. And you can see it's going to get close to that 21-day moving average. But I believe we found bottom. It was a very solid day. And you can see a lot of the lower indicators, they're finally agreeing with me here. And the MACD has leveled out, and it looks like it's going to cross over, a couple more green days. It's going to cross over that average and head back towards zero. And then once it passes zero, that's obviously bullish territory. You can see here the momentum has changed, and this is the reversal here, the CCI. It was in around the negative 100 for a while, and then it's popped back up past crossed over the negative 100 again. So this is a weak sign of reversal, but when you start adding a few other indicators with it, it is a pretty reliable sign. The relative strength is 45, so it has a lot of room to go in either direction, but like I said, the indicators are pointing up or at least sideways for the short term. If we look at the short selling activity, nothing really out of the ordinary. Yesterday it was 20%. But that's, this is the month of March here. You can see, if you look back, it's really in around there, right? High teens, low 20s. Very rarely does it ever deviate from that. But this morning, if you wanted to borrow to sell short, the interest rate's actually, the borrow rate's gone up quite a bit. It's 3.52%, and there's only 2.9 million shares available. So, it looks like with the short selling availability and by looking at the charts, it looks like there's going to be another green day today. But obviously, Churchill, it can change on a moment's notice. I covered this for a while, and I hold Churchill, so I know the volatility this stock has. As of the last filing you had for institutional activity was on March 1st, and that's when Healthcare Ontario, they actually reduced their holdings by 82%. But so as of this morning, you have 153 owners, and they represent 37.65% of the float. I hope this video helps. Have a wonderful day trading, and take care.